So we are back at Milo's lawn for the next instalment, and in this part of the video we're going to be putting a feed and weed on and just try and get it looking a bit better, but I want to show you what it looks like so you can see the progress. There's just a few new weeds which have come up here in the patio. We'll give them a quick squirt while we're here, but do you know what? Nature's doing its thing. I'm really pleased with this. So the first thing is fertiliser. Charlie's using the little hand spreader, the Scott's Whirl, which is a great piece of kit. So he's going to go over that first, over the lawn, and apply the fertiliser. Gets a little bit dusty when it's windy. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how it's coming on and how it's recovering since we came about 3 weeks ago and did the great big tidy up. Considering how it looked, I'm really pleased with it. We're getting some new shoots of grass coming through, which is nice. Now you can remember this part. This was the worst, the most overgrown part of the lawn. This part he'd tackled himself previously, but it was getting long again. So what we're doing now, like I say, fertiliser is going to start encouraging growth, and then he's going to put the weed killer on. Now I've just been speaking to the customer, Milo, and he's talking about watering, getting the sprinkler out, and I've told him what he needs to do. So 2 or 3 times a week, deeply, about 20 minutes, something like that in each section. So that is the plan. But obviously you guys, I just wanted to bring you here so you could see what it looks like now and get an update on the progress. So now what Charlie's doing, he's got the weed killer, and he's just walking at normal walking pace across the lawn, and that fine mist actually gets onto the leaves, but it also works in the soil. We're using a product called Praxis, and it gets in and goes in systemically through the leaf of the weed and down to the roots of the plant, killing it from within. We've also got a little bit of liquid nitrogen in there, which obviously can cause further growth, but it can cause stress if the lawn is looking brown. However, if you are watering regular, it won't cause an issue. I've never known it to cause an issue in all the years I've been doing this. 26 years experience. But I keep telling Charlie when he knows more than me, because Charlie knows a lot more than me. This is his first year, and I've got 26 years experience, haven't I? Yeah. These young uns think they know it all. Anyway, we're just having a laugh. So yeah, this is what it's looking like now. As you can see, everything's regrowing. Because we've got it back to a clean slate, everything's now starting to regrow because of Mother Nature, because of the sunlight, and because of the occasional moisture, which we're not seeing a lot of, but you know, you can see how it looks. But when it starts to water, then everything's going to start to work. The fertilizer is going to start breaking down and getting into the soil and feeding the plant, and it's going to start to green up. Once we get the watering up and running, regular mowing will be the key. Regular mowing will bring this lawn on in a massive way. Now we won't be back here again for another 10 weeks unless we get a chance to call in on the way, but we'll give you an update then, because later on in the year we're going to be doing a bit more work to it, a bit of renovation work. And that's it. So I'll just leave you with this little video. It's just a small video, but thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them down below. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.